I have visited Thailand multiple times where I have seen that automobile industry is doing very good. New industries like semiconductor and mobile manufacturing industry is about to come. We are participating in Metal-X exhibition first time. We are already serving few customers here like Hitachi and other customers. And now we are trying to explore the new customers here. So myself Vishal Telge from Manar Tools Pvt Limited. At Manar Tools, we produce various kind of tools for PCD CBN. So diameter ranges started from 0.1 mm to 350 mm diameter with world-class machines. All the tools we have manufactured is with the help of laser technology, which is very high-end technology available in the market right now, and that differentiate us with other tool manufacturers. Precision, perfection, and performance is the core at Manar Tools, what we do, and a strong brand we have developed because of happy customer. We are exporting tools since last 10 years, multiple industries and multiple countries like Indonesia, Thailand, Vietnam, then a lot of European countries. We are PCD CBN tool manufacturer with world-class manufacturing facility at our end near Pune, and we are supplying to the various countries.